If you're looking for a rack system that is heavy-duty, practical, and looks like a beast, the adjustable rack system by Fab Fours is just what you need. This new rack system is off the charts with features and design. Fab Fours has made this rack fully adjustable to fit nearly any truck or Jeep, like this 2021 Ford F-150 and this 2021 Jeep Gladiator, which is one thing that sets this rack system apart. It is tough and durable, and it's a solid 200 pounds made from 11-gauge US steel. The 11-gauge steel gives the adjustable rack system the structure needed to hold 700 pounds of static weight and 300 pounds of dynamic weight. What this means is that you can use it for overlanding with your tent on top without ever worrying about it collapsing. Fab Fours has designed this rack to have a minimalistic look, but it still adds that rugged appearance to any vehicle. This rack matches perfectly to the overall styling of the rest of Fab Fours products as well. Along with style and durability, the adjustable rack system provides great functionality. It has a design that allows your truck bed to remain open and usable. So during those times between camping and overlanding, you can leave this rack on your Jeep and still load your bikes, coolers, and even groceries. These racks have different mounting options for overlanding or storing off-road gear. If you find yourself stuck on the trail, out of gas, or needing a tie-down for something on your trip, the adjustable rack system has options for mounting just about anything. Sometimes, things in our Jeep or truck are just a little out of reach. That is why the adjustable rack system has 4 additional step locations to help access cargo on the top of the rack. And just like the rest of Fab Fours designs, there are 4 places to mount LED light pods for added light to any situation. The Fab Fours adjustable rack system utilizes a bolt-on mount for a stable installation. We do stress that this rack is heavy, and we highly recommend you get help putting the rack on so you don't hurt yourselves. If you're interested in purchasing the adjustable rack system by Fab Fours or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out with us on In the Garage, and we'll see you next time.